You know, here in Arizona, we love the sun, right? But we're also always looking for shade. You may remember not too long ago, I was at this beautiful home. It faces west. They have this beautiful outdoor patio, and they were always struggling with the sun. So they installed these two massive shades. What they didn't do was install a shade here until now. This is officially one of the largest shades that All Pro Shade Concepts has ever installed. And you know who did it? This guy right here. This is Robert Mulvin. He is the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. Robert, this opening is massive, and you told me, not quite sure if you could actually put a shade up this size, but you did it.
Yeah, we got with engineering. This is under our specs of what we can do from the manufacturer. It's still pushing the limits, so It's 28 feet wide and 14 feet tall.
You say this is the largest one you've ever installed?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and press this button, because here's the cool part. It's all done with a remote. Okay, here we go. She's coming on down. Now here's what's cool about this particular shade. Well, like the other two, first of all, it matches perfectly to the house, but there's tracks on the side, and that's an option that you offer.
Yeah, that's how we're able to get it to be so big, is because we can put them in the tracks, and the hem bar has added steel weight to account for deflection.
So here's the deal. This is so impressive. I can only imagine in the winter time how you can turn this particular area into another complete outdoor living space.
Yeah.
Because you're all protected.
That's right, yeah. It's sealed all the way around, drops all the way to the floor. There's no side gaps. So if you put some space heaters out here and you want to extend the living space, come outdoors, open your doors from the house, then you added tons of square footage outside to entertain in the winter.
Yeah, you stay cool in the summer, you stay warm in the winter, and this I'm very impressed.
Yes,
Not pretty impressed.
If you have a big opening, don't be afraid to give us a call. You know, we can do very big shades, and some people are scared because the opening is so big, but
yeah,
we can do it.
But here's the cool thing too. I just want to point out, because this is arched, and a lot of people think, how is this going to work? Because the architecture of the house is arched, but the placement of it, Robert, is really perfect.
Yeah, since we overlap the posts, we hit the solid studs. So this thing isn't going anywhere.
No. No, it's not. It's really not. And in the summertime with this west facing, because there's all windows in this back, I can only imagine the savings on their electric.
Yeah, it's not going to just cool the patio, it's going to cool the house. This is almost a wall of windows.
Yes.
So 50% of the heat that comes in your house is from the windows. By doing this, it's going to make a world of difference in the summertime on their electric bill.
So let's talk color choices real quick. Tell everybody how many choices we have.
So there's 40 fabric colors, there's 6 powder coat colors, but we can powder coat any color to match your paint. We just need an RAL number and we'll match it. So we go from light to dark, we go from dense to opaque. We can make it see-through or we can make it blackout.
And you can also deal with HOAs too. You can work within the guidelines of HOAs.
Yeah, for sure. Some people require sensors. Some people require that we match the patio. Some people require that we contrast. So we can do whatever you need to get it past the HOA and to be able to put shades on your house.
And you do your own installation, right? These are your guys.
Anything out.
And gals.
Yes, that's right.
All right, you do it all. All right, it doesn't matter how small or how gargantuan, All Pro Shade Concepts can do it. Here's more information. Here it is, a special offer. They do free estimate and free installation. Visit their showroom. It's by appointment only. All Pro Shade Concepts. Here's that number to call, 623-204-1476, or visit the website at allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects, be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other business and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepro.